Hey honeybees, it's your girl Naturally Honeybee. If you want to know how to go from this to this, then please stay tuned. All right, so I'm starting with my Kabrow pomade by Benefit Cosmetics. I use the number 5, and this is definitely my go-to. It comes with a little applicator made into the tip of it, and then you just attach it and unscrew it. So everything's kind of right there together. I'm just showing you what the little actual pomade looks like. Yeah, I'm going to move this out the way here. All right, let's go. So you're going to take the applicator and you're just going to put it in a little, you actually do not need a lot. A little bit goes a long way with this stuff. And what I do is I start with the bottom of my eyebrow and you do little strokes. And you just kind of outline your eyebrow. Now, as you see, mine are pretty sparse. So I just do what I kind of want to do. And just make some more. So once you finish with the bottom, you're going to move to the top. And you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to kind of outline it to the natural shape of your eyebrows. And then what you do is you're going to start in the middle. If you notice, I did not start at the tip. Because you want the bulk of that product to start, in the middle and fill in. And then as you move to the front, the product is getting less and less on the actual applicator. And that way you don't have these huge blocky eyebrows. Y'all done seen people with them. Come on. Say it again, Sam. All right, so I don't know what I'm doing. I might be looking for a mirror. Ain't no telling. Y'all, I was tired trying to record this. Not even gonna lie. Yep, look, there we go. Let's get my mirror. So what's left on the applicator, you're just gonna move towards the front of the eyebrow with. And just keep, filling in towards the back. It doesn't have to be perfect because I always clean mine up with concealer anyway. So this is great for when you're in a rush and you don't have a lot of time to, have the ideal eyebrows because, yeah, that cleanup game is on 1,000. So, and then once you get to the front, you're just going to do little strokes to kind of fill in. And it depends on the day, honestly. I do the front a little bit different every time, depending on how much product I have left on my brush. And I know, yeah, I said I was talking about the little blocky eyebrows, but by the time I finish, it'll have more of the ombre look so that it won't be so defined in the front of the eyebrows. My earrings are cute, y'all. I just got them from New York and Company, so heads up. I bought them in silver and gold. They're huge, but I think they're cute. I needed something different, and I'm going to wear a lot of studs. So yeah, now moving on to the other eyebrow. And doing the same thing, you're just going to start with the bottom, line that, and then line the top. And you see me not going anywhere near the front. And then I'm going to fill it in. Oops. All right. What am I doing? There we go. So go ahead and fill in from the middle to the end. And you can pretty much fill it in any kind of way. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Y'all see my little part in my hair? I call myself trying to do something creative and doing like a little heart shape. But yeah, it more so just looks like an M. Oh, God, I love it. And y'all see how fast this color is growing out? Dang. So I'm trying to come up with another color style. I don't know what I'm going to dye it next, but I'm not really ready to go back black quite yet. So on this eyebrow, we're moving to the front. Yeah, y'all see my big old bump right there. It's terrible. Hopefully it'll go away soon. But I'll show you how to cover that up in the next video. FYI. All right, so almost done with this one. There we go. And it does not have to be perfect. You want your eyebrows to be sisters, not twins. If you're going to literally spend all day trying to, you know, get them to look the exact same, but that's not the case. As long as it's close, that's good enough. So now, our Old Faithful LA Girl Pro Concealer. And that's the shade Toffee that I'm using. It kind of depends what I use to clean up my brows. If I'm going for like a natural look, then I'm going to do something that's a little bit closer to my skin tone. For this, because I like that highlight effect, and by the end of this series, you'll see that I have the full, and that's a little brush that I'm going to apply it with. But you'll see that I'll have like a full face, and you'll see where, even though the concealer looks really light right here, you'll see where I'll be able to blend that out in the next video, even at the end of this video, and it won't be quite as dramatic. So you're going to start on the bottom, or I start on the bottom, and I'm just going to clean it up, clean that line up so it's nice and crisp and clean. Almost look like I know how to draw. And then I raised my eyebrows just so I can make sure I'm getting a straight, clear line. I'm extra, I don't know. It helps me. You can try it and see if it works for you as well. And then you just move to the top. And you just want to be careful. And I'm just getting more concealer. I think I was running out. So I'm going to finish up the end of this one. There we go. All right, and then you're just going to get a little blending brush, and you're just going to blend out that concealer so that it's not quite so harsh. And then what I do is I take what's left on that brush and I just kind of hit the front of the eyebrows. I don't know if you just saw that. And that way they won't be quite so harsh in the beginning. And it's more of an ombre effect. And as you see, that concealer isn't quite so, quite too light for me, because you can kind of see where I'm a little bit lighter there anyway. But like I said, if you watch all of the videos, at the end, once I put on my foundation, it won't be nearly as noticeable as it is now. And if you mess up, that's fine. Just go back and get your little brush and reapply the pomade to wherever you messed up at. I mean, it happens. And then you're just going to clean it up. I don't know if I showed y'all the shirt that I'm wearing. I meant to, but I think I forgot. But this shirt is the softest shirt ever. And I actually got it from Wally World. Listen, don't sleep on Walmart, honey. I know I was, but never no more. I'm going to go back and get some more in all colors. This legit is one of the softest shirts that I own, and it is adorable. I was like, let me find out. I've been sleeping on Walmart. But who don't love Wally World? I love Wally World, y'all. I'll go in for one thing and end up spending $100. It's ridiculous. And I'm just sitting here blending that out. All right, and I'm just blending that out. I sped it up a little bit This is my left eyebrow, and as you see or will see, this is like my struggle brow. I don't know what goes on, but by the time I do my right eyebrow, I'm like, oh yeah, she cute. And then that left one, honey, is like you thought. So this one always takes a little bit longer, especially on the wing of the eyebrow for some reason. When I try to go in and clean it up, it's just I kind of have to play with it to get the shape right. I do not know why. But anyway, long story short, you see I worked it out. And she cute. She cute. And there we go. So quick and easy. You can also use foundation, kind of a heads up there. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.